I'm breaking the fourth wall.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. When we gone for a year, only know like once. What it is, life moves fast when you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Okay, good morning, guys. It is Sunday, so you guys know I have my little video that I'm about to be in this weekend or today. So I'm about to go ahead and put on my press-ons. I got these ones yesterday, and I also have to do a haul of the things that I got because I didn't even show you guys what I got. So let me show y'all. So I got some lashes because, like I said, you guys already know I do my lash extensions. So I decided to get these and try to cut them up and put them on. So I got those ones. They're super cute. Look at the sides. Like, oh my gosh, the curl is giving curl. And I got these ones as well. Curl is giving curl. I got a makeup brush because I bought some little, actually my sister bought it for me. This L'Oreal True Match Nude with Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, or it is Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. I keep seeing this all over TikTok, so I wanted to get it, and it matches perfectly. So I need that for today for the music video. And then I also grabbed another pair of lashes. I love these ones. They are so freaking cute. Look at the curl, look at the curl. Yes. And then I did get some new earrings. I got these ones. Super cute. And then I also got some other ones. I left them at home. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Oh, I also got these earrings too from the hair store. Super cute. They were super cheap. So I was just like, you know what? Let me get some nails or some earrings. It is currently 7:47 in the morning. We have to go to church today. Like I said, my daughter, she has a performance, a Christmas performance at her daycare, and her daycare is at the church. So yeah, we're gonna go watch her do that and also go to church. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put my nails on. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about, like, do you guys ever feel like when you procrastinate or when you do something, like for instance me doing YouTube, sometimes I take a break for so long because I have so much stuff going on. If you guys don't know, I do work a full-time job outside of YouTube, so it's hard for me to find things to do on the weekends because I am a full-time mother. Like, I'm a single mother, and like, just I don't really do anything. I have no life. I work, go home, take care of my child, and I'm like, I really don't do anything. So I feel like I'm really hard on myself when I don't have stuff to do, or I don't edit, or I don't record anything, you know. And I want to stop doing that because I don't want to be so hard on myself, and I want to be where I want to be with my YouTube channel. I want to be consistent. I want to start growing and things like that. And I don't know, I just feel like I'm so hard on myself, and I don't know if you guys can relate. I don't know if any of you that watch YouTube or any of you that watch me do YouTube as well, but I just want to be more consistent but not as hard on myself. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and put these nails on, and I kind of want to get coffee, you guys. I've been up since 4 o'clock, and it's 7:49, and I woke up at 7, and I'm exhausted. I got 3 hours of sleep, and we got to be up the rest of the day. Like, after I go to this performance, I have to leave. Like, I have to go out of town, go be in this music video. Look how cute that looks. Can you see? Anyways, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put my nails on. I wish I had some coffee. I need coffee in my life. I'm drinking this Tropicana. I think that's how you say it. It's actually really good. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put these nails on. I just wanted to check in with you guys this morning before we get ready. I have to do my hair still. Like, I have a lot to do. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Why do my lips look so red? They look so... It's going to be a great day, guys. It's going to be a very productive day. So stay tuned because we got a lot going on today. I have a lot to record. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit.
Right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on.
So this is how they turned out. I washed my hair Now I'm about to go ahead and do it in a bun for the shoot because we're supposed to be like, I'm supposed to be a cop or whatever, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this hair together, but nails are done. Let's go get the rest of the stuff together. Okay, so outfit's on. Let me show you guys the outfit. Actually, can you guys even really see me? There you go, do it like that. Outfit's on. I look like a fairy princess. Yeah, this is the outfit for church. Very churchy. I'm just kidding. But yeah, outfit's on, hair's done. I'm wearing heels and my little purse. And yeah, we are about to head out. My sister's ready. We're about to go, so I'll see you guys once we get there. Like I said, nails on, everything's ready. Yes, see you guys when we get
Son lay badly wounded after a battle. In that day, before electricity and the internet, yes kids, there was a day like that. Churches all had great bells that would ring on Sunday morning and special occasions like Christmas.
I'm so happy she brought her vlog.
Yes, we're here. We're gonna do a house tour in a second. Bathroom tour. Got fancy bathroom. Took us like 3 hours to get here. I look cute. Don't do me. I'm just fine. But yeah. So aesthetic.
Oh, this is cute.
But I don't want to work.
What's up?
We're taking a shot.
Gang in this.
I'm so tall. Like, hold on, wait.
You got a model by
There we go.
There's the modeling. Oh my god, how short ass.
I know. You look so cute. But
This church is beautiful.
Guys, photo apologize shit.
No, you're good.
it's okay. You're in the video. Yeah.
You're a music video.
Yeah, man. So good motherfucking video shoot, you feel me?
They are going to.
Basic chase, yeah, you feel me? Type shit, shit for the trash.
And we're about to
Talk your shit.
Yeah,
can't wait to
yeah.
Honestly.
I told them that. I saw it in
We're taking a shot.
TJ Maxx.
If I didn't say that already.
What you got? Oh,
None of those
got
are
that. 1800.
Yeah, I want that.
Some lemonade.
You guys want to be in her room?
I'm gonna do wine.
I'm already. She said I was camera
Put it right
ready.
here.
There you go. This is Leah. Isn't she gorgeous?
Just right there is fine. Thank you. Wine.
All right, y'all ready?
Thank you very much.
Everybody ready?
It smells so
Drinking
good.
wine out of a red cup.
Let me know if it's.
Yes.
We have clear cups here.
I love
They have. You want to?
Oh, it's right here.
All right. Oh, they even have straws. Yes. Do you want one?
Hold on.
I just feel like it's a lot easier to drink alcoholic drinks.
That's probably.
Come on. Ready? Tell us when we're ready. Ready? Come on. Get it. Get it.
All right, we're all ready. Okay, ready?
Hey.
Cheers to my boy Mason.
Yes, sir.
Boy, I'm about to get me lit in here. Calm down.
White now, polished 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body clear color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Hate to be your ex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watch in real time, way too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let it loose, you can keep tight. No place to run on.
Okay, we're ready to shoot. Oh, we're in our outfits. Absolutely.
Period.
Period. Okay, we're starting our scripts. It's official. We have to study these and don't fuck up. I might have to look a couple times though. Okay. We've been trying to catch this guy for a while. next door. Something.
Camera set up.
Yes. Okay, I need to okay, so we'll be in the house next door. We have cameras. We set up security cameras. And we'll be watching you. Can you handle this job?
To Olivia.
Yeah, I got this. I'll see him tonight. I was like, wait.
What's my one line?
I literally have one line. I'm good.
Okay, so it says, all right, good luck. Oh, and one more thing. Don't fuck him.
She said,
And then
yeah.
I walk to the door.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a look like, all right.
Okay, wait. Let's do it again. Do it again.
Guys, I got a gun. I'm official. It's official.
What's up? What it is? What's up? I just got done filming my ninja part in the music video. So yeah, it is currently 11:54 and we're still up filming, but it's so fun, guys. It's so much fun. The house is beautiful. I want to give you guys a tour. Actually, we're down here. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Okay, so this is the basement. It has rooms over there. It's an office. Rooms over there. Steps are obviously my favorites. The basement. There's like a little kid's room over there. Kitchen over there. A whole ass bar. Like, dude. Yeah. A bar. Okay, and I'm gonna finish filming the next part, so I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go up the house. Look how beautiful. Just appreciate it. Appreciate it while you can, because wow.
Right. You know what I'm saying? Get it in. Let's see.
It's beautiful, guys. This is like my dream house.
For you. Okay, like a step back.
Dream house. About to take some thumbnails. Cameraman behind scenes.
Good. Cameraman.
What about the boom that goes to the boom that you brought?
Get your shit shot by me.
Cannons, I like cannons. They had a whole sword. They got a whole sword. Look at the windows. Appreciate the windows. Those are beautiful. This is giving everything, right? Living room.
What's your blog name?
My first and my middle name. VlOG.
What's good, blog?
VlOG with a V.
Vlog, blog, whatever. Nigga, you capturing the real nigga, JT on this shit, nigga. I'm fucked up. We shooting a video. We got Catwoman behind the camera.
Yes.
Shit, she about to do her thing, set up some hidden cameras and shit. We
I'm a
about to get this
spy.
shit popping.
It's giving Kim Possible.
Some Kim Possible, you giving Catwoman.
This way. Come on.
Give you a tour.
Yeah. Can you give me a tour in your British accent?
Welcome into the crib.
Yeah, this is
Welcome to
him.
my crib, y'all.
Ready? And we're filming. 1, 2, 3.
Hey you guys, welcome to my crib. It's JT 3 Eyes. We're gonna show you, this is the kitchen right now. We got popping, you already know we got that nigga, that 1942, nigga. We out here drinking, we got some shit behind the scenes. We got our beautiful actresses. We got Mason, Chase behind the fucking music. We about to get this shit started, y'all. Stay tuned. Keep on checking into the vlog. We got some food. We lit. Shout out. Subscribe. Follow. All that good shit.
Kitchen. Before he ruined my tour. There's a whole tree out here. You can't, can you see it?
You gotta get your jacuzzi too.
Yes. This is like another little living room with like the tree over there. You can see the living room in there. I don't know what this little room is, but it's such a vibe.
I've been up since 4 this morning,
Such a vibe.
Breaking the fourth wall right now. I'm breaking the fourth wall.
Okay. And this is the basement.
Because it was the GoPro
We have
up
the
there, but
stairs.
the remote
It's just
battery died, so he's got no name.
so beautiful, right?
He charged the
It's
GoPro
giving.
camera, but the remote to the camera is at 7.
You're great. You look
Yeah,
good.
we'll have,
good?
or just have Jaren.
This is what I'm
we'll
doing,
have
guys.
just, you
I
know,
have to
put
turn
his
the light
camera
on,
phone
and they're gonna
Just
put
have
a
his
camera
camera
here
put-
and get me coming down because I'm a spy.
Yeah, it could be an iPhone shop.
Okay, so I forgot to show you guys this bathroom really quick. Like, can we appreciate it? Can we appreciate it? Okay, this is what it looks like from above. And it has all these windows. And that door. So yeah. This is his song, by the way. You guys, we're eating Mediterranean food because we're bougie. It's so good, by the way.
That's what I'm saying. That shit looks so good.
I ain't never had that.
It's like some type of dough, and you dip it in the stew.
Mukbang?
Oh, I want to.
Mukbang?
And you
She
eat
said
anything I can be messy with.
All right, Jaren. So
We'll do a little bit of pepper, a little bit of chicken on rice.
my files, my laptop, everything's downstairs. Now we got Mason.
It's so good. So good. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm done with my role in the movie or in the music video, so
Let's just go.
I'm about to chill.
Yeah.
Let me edit.
On the Mason.
I'm ready for bed because we gotta get up early.
Yeah, Mason always has Mason soul stuff.
Jaren's wrapping his mind around it.
Right.
It's so good.
You been? Yeah.
Got the vision.
To the vision.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta get my computer. I can't.
Mason, I'll block it next.
No, it's cool.
Now, I'm making sure you got energy. Coming important, Xavier. Finding how to get. It's not going everywhere. So you're gonna have to the point is to rub this oil down her. Okay. Rub it down her thigh. And then eventually you want to rub it up, but that's not going to be seen as much as you applying oil. Okay, so Jared, I want a shot of oil drip coming down onto her thigh.
All
So
right.
even if it's like
You need to
this
pour it.
close,
Still up. Look at this beautiful bathroom. Like, wow. So cute.